Hey, welcome back, everyone. Hey, I want to talk to you about CRSR. This is that gaming company where they make accessories for the computer gaming world. Now, I played them way back here and had some success with them. But as the rest of the market fell, you could see it fell as well. Now, with the market rebounding a little bit, just like every other stock, this thing seems to have found a bottom. And it's kind of doing that dance like everything else, where it bottomed, it's starting to find some footing, got a little bit of a rally, peeling back, bottomed again, and now it could go either way. Really depends where the market goes. I'll tell you what, I have been looking at this again because it's on my radar. It's always on my radar. But what I want you to notice is this. So first of all, we see the trading pattern. Now, is that support? That goes back to October. So that could potentially be support right there. Really what I'm looking at here is this. I noticed that we have fourth quarter earnings coming up. And when I look at fourth quarter earnings last year, right, you have a fourth quarter 2021. Notice that is their big time of the season. Right? That's their big time of the season. Here's your annual. You can see with the annual reporting, this thing, the revenues just keeps growing. But look at the profits, right? The profits, what tells the story with this company. And you could see it goes from losing money to then in 2020, they turn around and start making money. And then in 2021, they start actually, they make money, but it's a little bit less. But looking at the quarterly, this is what I want you to look at, okay? Last quarter, right? This is going to be, right now we're going to be in fourth quarter 2022. Look at the last quarter in 2021. Look at that. So if this has any resemblance, if history repeats itself, this fourth quarter right here could be a decent one. And look at the buy recommendations, okay? Look at the buy recommend. Now, recently, just as of yesterday, we did get a downgrade. Now, I don't know who Webbush is, but I do see some Credit Suisse action and Barclays. They're telling you overweight. Now, these were a little bit ago. Looking at that support line, looking at how it's been trading, look at that. Right? So if this thing pierces above, right, the 17 mark and starts to move higher, this becomes potentially nice support or breaks through resistance. And then we start to get a resistance number up here and it starts to get back to that 20 number. Okay. So this is something I'm watching. Now, I have no skin in this game. I'm just watching it. But look at this. This thing has, it went IPO, and obviously they didn't know how to value it. And then it just steadily trickled down. And now it's found its home right in here, and it's finding its sweet spot. I think this thing in 2023 could trade in this range right here, right around this range right here. I think if I wanted to trade this, I would consider the range. I'm thinking 13 to 19. So you could write cash secure puts at 13 and you could actually sell covered calls anywhere in between. But if you wanted to keep the shares, you sell that covered call on the top side and then the stock would drift. And then at that point, you would be able to keep your premium, keep your shares. We do it again. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I'm watching. I really like this. And look at how it blew away earning estimates in that fourth quarter. And look at what we're going to get in 2 days. Keep your eyes on this. If it comes in up here, well, I'll tell you what, this thing could get a nice little pop, maybe back to 17. Hey, look. It's what I'm watching. If you wanted to do some research on this, I would go to American Bulls. I would also go to FinZen, and I would see where the support lines are trading. See if American Bulls thinks it's a buy now or stay in cash now position or play. Be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, keep this on your radar.